Hey there, it's Niall here, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of BookingHawk.com when used by a business hub for renting out boardrooms or meeting rooms or hot desks. So the idea would be from in this case, Acme Business Hub is the name of the business center, and from their website, a client could click Book Hot Desk or Book Meeting Room, and they would land on this page. So this page is where they would book a meeting room. So for example, if they just want our meeting room, they can see it's available in hourly slots. So I can go through and offer it out in hourly slots every day. It's $30 an hour. And the auditorium and the business hub offers in 2 hour slots, and then the boardroom is basically you can book it in the morning or for the afternoon. And also, if there's no availability in the day or time that I want, I can sign up to the waiting list, and if somebody cancels their booking, then everybody on the waiting list will get a notification, and it will work on a first come first served basis. So that's it for booking a meeting room. Or actually, you know what, I'll just to demonstrate, I will go ahead and make some bookings. So if I look at Monday, May 3rd, if I click on meeting room, I can see it's available in the afternoon. Somebody's obviously booked in the morning. So I need it for 2 hours. I'm going to select the 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock time there. Click on checkout. Now on the next page, if you want, you can turn on client accounts, and that would mean that a customer who frequently visits the business center could create an account, and they could that would mean that their bookings, their checkout is much faster. They just sign in and the system would recognize that it's them. They wouldn't have to fill in all their details each time. We are securely integrated with Stripe. So at this point, we're taking a payment of $60 for our hot desks, for our meeting rooms. So that's down here, we see a confirmation of what we're booking the 3rd of May at 1 and 2 p.m. And then before I go and complete the booking, the system will ensure that I agree to the data usage policy and terms and conditions as well. So checking that checkbox, clicking complete booking, it should happen pretty quickly. And what happens now is that Acme Business Center will get an email saying that they've got a new booking, and then the booking client will also get a confirmation email. So if I check my emails here, actually, you know what, I need to pause because it's in a different. There we go. So our confirmation email has come in from Acme Business Hub. Clicking in here, we see the booking details, the date, time, exactly what I've booked, the location as well. And I can go ahead and cancel that booking myself if I want to. The business can also add their own message to this confirmation email if they wanted to, but they haven't done so in this case. So that's more or less it from the point of view of a client making a booking for a meeting room. They can go ahead and add it to the calendar of their choice as well. Then just very quickly, I'm going to show you the hot desks. So clicking into hot desks here, the client can choose the day that they wish to book their hot desk. You can see the business hub here has 50, they've got 50 hot desks available. Now the business hub can show or hide their availability. They can show or hide how many desks are booked, etc. So if I look on the 3rd here, I can see there are 48 spaces left. Now I can go ahead and book a hot desk. On the next page, I'm offered a choice of booking for a full day for $25 or a half day for $15. But if I go back here, I can also choose to buy a credit bundle. So you can see here I could buy a 10 desk pack. So that would give me 10 credits valid for 3 months for $75, or a 5 desk pack for 5 credits. So valid for 60 days. The same thing, the business could create credit bundles for renting the meeting room. So, you could build in discounts on that. But I'm not going to buy a pack right now. I'm just go ahead and book a hot desk. I just need it for 1 hour on Monday, the 3rd of May. So here we go. So I'm going to click book. Now, this particular business does not offer hot desks in 1 hour slots. So I'm just going to book the half day one for $15. Confirm my selection. This part is very similar. I just need to say who is attending the hot desk. So you've seen this part. I just need to complete the booking for the next part of the demo. So once we complete the booking for the hot desk, very similar, we'll get a confirmation email as well. So checking my email, I can see here I have another booking here. So this is for a hot desk. Same information is there, half day. This time the business has put their own message in there, so please note there's free parking around the back. And that's more or less it from the point of view of people booking meeting rooms or hot desks with you. When it comes to you seeing who's booked into the system on dates and times, and checking availability, etc., Then you need to go to the dashboard. Now, I already logged into the dashboard before I started rolling this video. So if I want to go in there now and take a look, I'll just click on the dashboard link up here. The public will not see the link to the dashboard, only the business owner will when they're logged in. So clicking on dashboard, we're brought into the dashboard. That's anywhere we see this dark purple header on top of the page. That means we're in the business dashboard. If we want to get back out to the public facing page, we just click on the bookinghawk.com logo here and we're back out on the public page. So in the dashboard, the first thing we're viewing is the calendar for our meeting rooms. So the system treats the meeting rooms and the hot desks very differently. So if we look at our meeting rooms, if I look on Monday the 3rd, I can see that Peter Murphy has booked a boardroom at 9 a.m. and there's no other bookings there for the auditorium, but for sorry, I need to slow down. I'm conscious that the demo's gone on. So boardroom is booked at 9 a.m. by Peter Murphy. Then if I go to the meeting room, I can see Amy Curtis has it from 9 till 12. And then there's the booking I just made that's earlier on in this video. So I've got it from 1 to 3. Sorry, Amy has it from 9 to 1. I've got it from 1 to 3. So clicking in here on Niall's booking, I'll see more information about it and Niall's contact details. I can add a note to Niall, and anytime Niall makes a booking, those notes will show up on all his bookings, so that if I want to keep track, maybe Niall likes to have an extension cable or Niall needs catering, whatever the case is. And then when it comes to hot desks, so clicking in here, hot desks home, if I go to view and book, if I click on a particular date, so there are no bookings on the 27th or the 28th, but if I click on Monday the 3rd, I can see that Niall Smith, that's the booking we just made. So I booked a half day on Monday the 3rd. And we also have April O'Neill who booked for a half day and Sam Higgins booked for a full day. Now, if you need to contact everybody on Monday the 3rd who's coming into a hot desk, you need to say, guys, there's going to be a power outage, or guys, maybe there's going to be a limited amount of parking available on Monday due to maintenance works. You just type your message here, click send, and that will fire an email to everybody who is booked in on that date. That's more or less it. There are a ton of other features in here. Again, I'm trying to rush through this, keep the demo as short as possible. So you've got receipts in here, your credit bundles, gift vouchers. You can turn on all of these if you want. You can turn on text message reminders for people who've booked your meeting rooms. You can have, you can ask the clients questions when they're making their bookings. If you have tenants in your business center and you don't want them paying full price the same as the public would pay, you can add discount codes. If you don't want the public booking, you can add mandatory codes. People can't book without obtaining a code from you, essentially like a password protecting your assets. And also you can, if you are creating a talk here, so let's say you want, you've got somebody coming to speak on the 15th of July about starting up new businesses. So we'll just create a new, it's not a hot desk, but we'll call it a new hot desk. So we'll call it a startup talk. We just put our description in there, and we'd say it's on we said the 15th of July, which is a Thursday. Tickets for this event are $150. We'll just fill out some placeholder information there. Click save. I missed something. It starts at 9 a.m. and it runs until 2 p.m. So clicking save, that event is now live. So if I go out to my public facing page, you will now see that there is a startup talk listed, which you can now sell tickets for on the 15th of July. You can have early bird tickets or standard tickets or concession tickets for your members. So that's more or less it. I'm going to stop the video there. I've gone on for almost 9 minutes. This is just meant to be an introduction. It's meant to spark some questions in you. Please get them through to support@bookinghawk.com. Thank you very much.